Hi everyone, welcome back to Kettle Haven Ranch. I'm Steve. Today we're going to run out and do a real quick video looking at the muck pile we built about 2 weeks ago. See what's going on with it. We've had a mild winter. I don't believe we've had any temperatures below 0 Fahrenheit yet, and that makes it warm and mild here. We'll be using the REOTEMP thermometer to see how the muck pile is, what's going on inside, and then we'll break it open and see how much steam we have coming out of it and see if there is any warmth at all. I'll be surprised if we see enough to be doing some real good composting, but never know. Here we go. Once again, the supporting cast forcing his way in. What a ham. What's in there, buddy? AD, what you doing? Is that fun? Pyrenees love the snow, so the Maremmas, they cannot get enough of this. The Maremmas are made for these temperatures, and they love the snow. Oh boy. Okay, back to work. As you can see, we got some movement here. Moving up towards 50 degrees. Considering it's about 20 out right now, that's not bad. You can see it's way below what we need to have for the composting process to continue. So I'm going to go ahead, hop back in the tractor. We're going to break up the pile and see how much steam comes out. Give it a good flip. This moisture will end up from the snow will end up down in the pile, and I'll just make things go better as it warms up. Okay, as you can see, we got plenty of steam coming up. I dug in a little bit. That's a good sign. That means we have active bioorganisms in there working away. Now that we got it about halfway open, let's take its temp, see what we got. At 80 degrees, we don't have much going on, but once again, we're right about 20. We're hovering about 20 degrees right now. That's not bad. It's warm. I think if I had to sleep outside, I'd probably be sleeping on the muck pile. Yep, it's going to end up at 80. That's about halfway down the pile. I'm going to close it back up, and we'll let it go ahead and set for a few more weeks. So yes, if you have a white livestock guardian dog and you have a crappy muck pile, that's what you're going to get right there. What are you doing, Donnie? What are you doing, boy? Get out of there. Hey, if you like our content, be sure and hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell for future videos, And please hit the like. That really helps when you hit the like for this particular video. As always, I invite comments down below. Anything, any advice, anything else you'd like to see concerning the muck pile, please feel free. Keep them family friendly. Feel free to put your comments down there. And oh, number 2 came. Hey, Big T, what are you doing, boy? Hey, while this isn't a product endorsement or paid advertisement, I did provide a link in the description for this video below, which will take you right to Amazon and see this most current prices, the whole bit. A bunch of different options to purchase. Thanks for joining me. Take care. We'll see you again.